Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I am going to start clearing out my guest bedroom. I just wanted to kind of let you all know what's going on in this room. So basically, I'm just getting ready to start taking out these items. I'm going to clear out the bed because we have to break down the bed so we can paint and caulk in this area. So that's what I'm going to do. And since I'm breaking down or starting to just clear out some of the items, I decided to start just doing a quick little cleaning. And if you haven't seen this room before now, I'll put a iCard up top so you can click it or look for it in the description. While vacuuming the bedroom, I noticed this stain on the floor. So I immediately went to go get my Hoover Smartwash Carpet Cleaner. So I loaded up my spot chaser wand and it did the trick. Let me show you. Okay, so the only thing I added to the wand was Hoover's Paws and Claws cleaning solution. And that is the only thing I added to the carpet cleaner, as well as some warm water in the container that holds the water. And as you can see, it cleaned the stain. It is gone. This is not a disappearing act. This is real life. So it worked. I'm happy. I'm in a better mood. I shared this carpet cleaner in another video, and I'm trying to figure out, why am I just now getting one when you can literally buy one for the price of renting it twice? So yes, it is good to have one on hand for those instances, just like what happened.
The handle release,
I did not know that stain was there, and I feel so much better knowing that the carpet is clean. I mentioned before, you just push forward to wash and pull back to dry. So yes, you're just pushing forward to clean and pulling it back to dry. It also has a dry only button, which is really good for when you just want to pull any excess water. I'm using the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Cleaner. I do have a coupon code that's valid from now until August 15th for 20% off. So look for that in the description. I really do like this carpet cleaner. As you can see, it does work. So I'll leave the link for it in the description for anyone who's interested, along with that coupon code. All right, so let's talk about the plans for this space. This is the guest bedroom. It's a little bit over 10.5 by 12 feet, and the ceilings are, I believe, 9 or 10 feet tall. Now, we do have to do some painting. We have to do some caulking up top. Remember, we had the crown molding added, and the person that did it did not caulk, so we'll have to caulk behind them. And then we're also going to touch up and repair any little nicks or holes that we have on the wall from maybe hanging pictures and art, which is fine. So we're going to just start over in this space. We're keeping the furniture, we're keeping the light fixture. We're just going to take everything down, repair the holes. We just pretty much want to start with a clean canvas in the room. Although we're using majority of the items that are in there, we just want to have a clean slate or a clean canvas. We also need to paint the ceilings, because when we had that boob light up, we took it down. It did leave a nice little scratch on the wall. So we'll more than likely be painting the ceiling as well. And as you can see, we do have a lot of little nicks over here on the wall. Now, this particular wall is really the only wall I've really hung anything up on besides the wall that houses the bed. So I've never hung anything over here or on this wall, but definitely on the wall where the bed is. So all of those little nicks will be gone. Now, over here on the nightstand, I will be changing out the legs on the nightstand. I've already changed out the hardware on it. The 2 pieces on the bottom came from an outlet, and the one on top that came from Target. All right, we are coming to the end of this video. I just wanted to jump on and kind of let you all know what are the plans for this guest bedroom. And thank you, Hoover, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link as well as the coupon code for the Smartwash Pet Complete Carpet Cleaner that I shared with you in today's video for those of you who are interested. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.